So when I worked for Midas years and years and years ago, and we did, tons of brake jobs, they had a portable power brake bleeder. And since I've been here, I've never had one. We've done it the old school way, and then using a scan tool and all that. It's still a nightmare. So I said, fuck it, I'm buying a pressure bleeder kit. And this was from eBay. It's from China. So we unboxed it, and we're just going through it. So this is your brake bleeder container. Compressed air goes in here. Your regulator. All different caps to go on top of your master cylinders and clutches. So this is a little bit more of a process to bleed your brakes, but I'll tell you, if it takes you 10-15 minutes to set this up, it beats hours of trying to get air out of brake systems anymore. This is, in my opinion, a must-have.
The real test is on Jeep Wranglers.
And GM and Jeep Wranglers. Fucking nightmares. But yeah, it looks legit. This is for your bigger master cylinder caps.
Yeah, like...
Let's try not to lose anything.
That would have been for the...
Sound good?
That's the version we put all the brake lines on.
Yeah. Which was still, in my opinion, not the way I would like it, but he didn't really want to spend any more money to correct it, so... Yeah, I like it. I'm excited to try it.